If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are live, Elite Capital Credit Advisors, and we are consultants for finance of all sizes. We have the 3 pillars of wealth, and the 3 pillars of wealth are credit mastery, smart investing, and financial education. I've got Miss Emma here with me live from the call center. Miss Emma is one of our primary trainers, and we are getting ready to trade the E-mini futures on the stock market. Miss Emma, talk to us. What you got going on today?
Hello, good morning. I mean, good afternoon. It's good morning here in the Philippines. Yes, we have actually, as what you mentioned, the 3 program that we actually offer to our viewers out there. If they are interested, sir, we are actually, providing the program for the credit mastery, financial education, and for the smart investing. And the good thing with us is we are not just providing the program online, but we do mentoring. So we have a um, coaching online via Zoom. So it's actually, a more mentoring and a more intimate training and sharing of ideas. And then we are actually giving them the time to select their slot, so they just need to inform and contact us for more information so that we can give them the best program and the best slot that they can choose according to their availability. So they need to stay tuned with us today as we provide some, live trading that would gonna give them the idea what is smart investing. So,
All
good
right, I love
afternoon.
it.
Discover Elite Credit Investment Advisors, where your financial journey is our priority. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, we've got the guidance you need. Join Cam as he shares his teachings designed to empower you with essential tools. Gain clarity and confidence for a brighter financial future. Achieve the financial success you've always envisioned with our expert advice. Visit Elite Credit Investment Advisors today and take the first step towards financial freedom.
Monday, Monday, Monday. We are once again live. We've got some interesting stuff for you today. I am going to walk you through the process of how to make $1 million a year if you're interested. And it starts off with the simplest thing, investing in E-mini futures on the NASDAQ. So taking a look at our chart today, there are some 250 trading days in a year. If you take all the weekends off, take 365 and take Saturdays and Sundays away, you end up with about 252 days a year. So that means if you're into it as a hobby trader, like we like to say, a hobby trader is about a $20 a day trader. You're looking at $20 a day will give you an extra $5,040 a year. If you take it up a little bit further from there to side hustle level, you're looking at $100 a day. That's $25K a year. So that's pretty decent side hustle. That means you can have your primary job, you can go to school full time, whichever it seems to be, or if you bring somebody home, maybe you do a side hustle, 25K a year. It's nothing to sneeze at. Okay, step up from there to a full-blown job. It's $500 a day. It's not bad money. $126,000 a year. So very easily done. And if you step up one more time from that to career level, that's $1,000 a day. I like to try to say this from the very beginning. You can train with us for 30 days and you can do any of these options. You can do 20, 100, 500, 1,000, 2,500, 5K, whatever your flavor is, whatever your goals are, you can achieve that within 30 days, because what we do is we trade the exact same indicators, the exact same future. We just increase the units that we trade. And how I'm going to go ahead and pull a chart up and show you how we do that. Okay, so this is what that looks like. So 1 unit of the, first off, the MNQ1 with the exclamation point. This is the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 Index Futures, and its call sign is CME. You're going to see this when we open up the TradingView platform. You're going to see that this is the actual future that we're trading. 1 unit is $25. I recommend to trade your system for a week, see how you do. If you do consistently $25, you do consistent trades, and you want to bump it up, then at that point, bump it up. Again, you're trading on the trading software, trading platform, so you're not actually risking any money at all. That's where you want to be in. 2 units, $50. Again, test your trading out for a week. You notice there's 4 weeks of trading here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So while you're trading with us on the indicators and what the moving average convergence divergence is, and what the Fibonacci sequence is, and what all the different vocabularies are involved, and short selling, long selling, all these terms, and you're trading 2 weeks. The first 2 weeks, you're going to be in the TradingView platform. The second 2 weeks, you'll be trading with the actual broker, which is NinjaTrader. And if you decide to never actually put any real money into the market and never trade real money, that's fine too. You can trade and you can learn for 30 days. But my goal is to have you making $1,000 a day within that 30 days. Okay, so that's the primary goal. We're going to pop over now to the actual chart. Let's take a look at that real quick. We're going to add the trading chart to the stage here. Let's go ahead and move that one. Go to this one. This is our trading chart. This is a live TradingView chart today, right now, Monday, on the 18th of the month. And you already see the 3 downward indicators, well, one of the green one there, 2 downward indicators. And it's going to stop and bounce right here with the little green indicator going up. And it's going to continue to travel up a certain degree. And what we're going to do is we're going to need to know how far that is before we enter the trade. All right. So we're going to trade live. We're going to go ahead and click the button to trade and trade live. We do that by, we could click, I'm going to go ahead and move my trading indicator over here. We're going to click the trade button. You'll see that indicator pull up. All right. And then we can click buy. We've got 50 units chosen right here. So we're going to trade 50 units, take profit, stop loss. We've got our take profit and stop loss clicked here. Now it looks like it's indicated an upward trend right here. It's got a little green candle up. We're going to wait for it to do that twice. We're going to buy in. Then I'm going to slide the take profit and the stop loss to where I want them to make. In this particular trade, we're going to make $100. Okay. We've got 50 units in, so we're risking $1,250. We're going to go ahead and click the buy indicator. It's in. It's in. Now we're in. We're going to take that big, tall $1,225. We're going to bring it down to just about $100. There we go. All right. Now, I got $150 on there. And what you're watching it unfold live is the indicators. They're going to need to retrace that red candle. They're going to need to cross over the blue line, make a profit. And they're going to hit on up, make a profit for that $150. Stop out at that $150, and you're going to see that $150 reflected down here in the take profit. Now, how long it takes it to do that will vary large part on what the market's doing. It is moving pretty good right now, so you're seeing it retrace. It's got a little green indicator right there. Now, you're not going to be able to enter every trade at 50 units, but if you were able to enter in 50 units, remembering on our chart that we looked at earlier, 50 units, risk 1250, that's the trade that we put in for $1,000 a day margin. So you can make $1,000 at one time in one trade, or you can make $100 and then trade 10 times, work up to 1,000. You can make $500, make 2 trades. The goal is from the moment you start off and you start working with this, I'm going to need to know what you plan to do and how fast do you want to make your money? How quickly do you want to make your profit? So that I can work the leverage on the trade to see how many hours do you have today to trade? How many hours a day do you have to commit? So you can see now we've crossed the blue line. We're at $100 profit, and it's moving upwards, and it took a profit at $150. So we just made $150 real dollars in real time. Didn't take very long. I'm going to come back over here and we're going to move the chart up just a little. I've got a big, huge screen here that I'm looking at. And there's our profit. You see that $633 right there? That's the profit that we realized from the trade. So we're going to start all over again. We're going to come back. We're going to reboot our trade account just like it's a brand new day. We're going to reset it. This is what a trading day would look like. So we're going to start you off with 5K. And again, you can start for as little as $500. See that account balance? It's 5,000 right there, right? So we're going to click our take profit. I'm going to click our stop loss. We're going to leave it at 50 units because we like 50 units. We're going to look at our buy indicators. As soon as it comes down just a little bit, all right. And a buy indicator, we're looking for this red candle to turn green and start moving back up the candlestick. It'll do that any minute. It's going to trend downward to right in here, and then it's going to turn green and start going back up. It may even turn green a little sooner than that. When it does, we're going to hit the buy button. I'm thinking right in here, right in where this wick is of this green candle. It should retrace, if not sooner, and head back up. We're going to click into the trade. We're going to slide down. And Ms. Emma, how much do we want to make on this trade? Do we want to make $100, $500, $1,000?
100, sir, would be fine, or 200.
200? All right, we'll move our indicators down. We're going to go ahead and buy in, because I see that there's a nice little indicator there. We're going to buy in, and then we're going to slide down to, where are we at there? How much is that? 5 something? 575, okay. I'm going to pull down a little bit further than that. We'll confirm it. We'll look at 575. Move that down. Confirm that. All right, so now what we're looking at now is we're going to make $500 in about 5 minutes. So it's sliding up. You see that the indicator right there, 75 to the green, 125 to the green. That means you're in the money. That means you're making a profit. It's what that means when it's in the green. 150, and it's going to flirt right in there. It's 250, 225, 250. It'll go up to 300 in a minute. It's continuing to climb upward. And again, it's gonna dance. It's gonna flirt a little bit. It might go down before it goes up, but believe me, it's gonna go up. 175, 150. What we're looking for is it to go up to that green line. It doesn't have far to travel. 250, 300. Okay, 300, 275, and it likes to build up resistance and jump. So it's in an upward trend. 275. 300. Seeing it click right here, it's popping back in and out of 275, 3. It'll pop 375. It's heading up. Might hit 400 next. There's 400. 425. Boom. Okay, so what it did, we started with 5K even in our trading account. Theoretical. You know, it's theoretical money. And then you see here, we started with 5K, and we now have in our trading account $574 recognized or realized profit and loss. So again, if you start off with want to make $20 a day, we can do that. If you start off and want to make $100 a day, we can do that. The same trade makes you $500 a day. Now, what changed was the difference in the units that we risk. So once again, you'll notice that I've got 50 units in here. That's what allowed me to trade such a little short amount of time to make the $500. But I also had to have the 5K in here to start so that I could buy the 50 units, because I had to have at least 1250 to risk. Okay, so we're gonna reboot the account, and we're gonna start the account with $500, and we're gonna see how long it takes us to make $20 or $100 with 500. Okay, so if you're starting off brand new, we reboot the account. We're gonna reset it. I'm gonna start the account with $500 instead of $5,000, because not everybody's gonna have $5,000 to start their trading account with. That's obvious. I know I didn't when I first started. I traded a $500 account and traded it up to around 5K within a couple of weeks. But we're gonna start. There's our $500 balance. Now we're gonna look right back over here. We're gonna reset. This is a live trading account on the stock market. We're looking for our indicators. I'm going to go right here under my magnifying glass and pick up my, under my ruler and pick up my magnifying glass, okay? So with that, all I have to do is highlight, and that makes some candles big. And what I'm looking for is, again, we're looking for that upward green trading indicator. See the candle's red right now. It needs to turn green and move upward. And it needs to turn green and move upward twice, and then I'll buy in, and I'll ride that upward momentum to make my profit. That's what we're doing. So we started with $500 in equity. Instead of 50 units, we'll have to change that. We're going to go to 5 units. All right, so there's the green indicator. We have bought in. There we are. And we're watching it. It's right now it's negative and it's trending downward a little, but when it turns green, that's going to be a profit, and we'll take that profit out. Okay. So we started with a simple $500 account. We're at -5. We're moving up. When that turns green, we'll click the sell button. We'll do it manually this time. We could do the take loss, the stop loss, and the take profit. But for now, we're just going to run it by hand. We're going to put our button on sell and click it. So we're watching it trend right here. And it's going to turn, it'll break even and turn green. All right, it's about to turn green. We're going to let it trade up just a little bit more. Okay, there's broke even there. $5 profit. $5 profits, continuing to trade upward to $7.50. Break even again. With less money in the trade, with less risk, you're only risking $125 at this point. That means less money for movement, but you're risking less money as well. So I'm gonna watch it just a few seconds more. It's gonna go ahead and trend up and down a little bit. So we're gonna let that trade flow just a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and play one of our information commercials, and we'll be back to see where the trade goes.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right, a professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit EliteCreditAndInvestmentAdvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the market starts here.
And once again, we're starting off with our trading platform. I'm going to let Miss Emma talk to you for just a second about the different programs that we have available. I believe we have several different price points. As this trade works its way up, I see that green candle sneaking up there to make a profit. It's coming up quick. It looks like negative 32, but it's headed up. It's closing the gap, and it's headed toward that take profit. It is moving up at a regular rate. And that's what it does. It bounces back and forth between 40, 35, 30. It'll be breaking even in a minute, and it'll be making a profit. 37. We'll watch it just a minute, and then we'll let Miss Emma tell you about the packages. 30, 32. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pop that off and let Miss Emma tell you all about what we have done. Miss Emma, take it away.
Okay, well, while waiting for that trading, aside from the smart investing, if you have some problem with your credit, if your credit is very low, 4 or 5, we actually provide a program for you. We have a 30-day to, 90-day program for a credit mastery. You can start $97 for a 30-day mentoring. We also have an affiliate, which is Dispute Biz, will help you monitor your credit. And from that, day by day, we're gonna give you a mentoring, a coaching on how to monitor your credit score on personal and business. We also help set up EIN and then LLC if you want to set up a new business. So we also do that program. So if you are interested, please contact me at 877-587-4540 so that we can um, give you slot for the training and we can help you on your first onboarding. So don't waste your time. Contact Elite Credit Advisor and every day. Thank you, sir.
All right, so we are going to take a look back at our chart. Again, the red candlesticks have come down, these 3 red candlesticks. The green went back up, and it's trending. It's going to take a few minutes for it to get across that line and give us a profit, but it definitely will go up there in just a few minutes and gets the profit. And once again, one of the things Ms. Emma was telling us about, we are 3 pillars of wealth, and in the 3 pillars, the first level is credit mastery. So if you've got a 4, 5, 6, or 7 in your credit score, you're going to need us to use our new AI tool with Dispute Biz for affiliates and get that AI started up. Take a look at the personal credit, get it fired up, and see where it's at and what needs to be done to get it perfect. The second level of smart investing is learning how to use investment capital through building your own business. Get your EIN, get your Dun & Bradstreet number, get a business virtual address, get the business phone number, get started up and start making business credit decisions. You can build, a lot of people don't know this, but business credit is built on your EIN number, not your social. So it doesn't cross the line. You have your own personal LLC limited liability, or you can be a sole proprietor. However we decide to set that up for you, you can do that within 7 to 10 days. Business credit builds up a lot quicker than personal credit, and it's autonomous. You can do no doc business credit. It doesn't have to show a profit right away. It doesn't even have to be functional and be making money for you to build your business credit up. We show you step by step how to build the credit up through business credit lines. Get your business. You can even get business grants, especially for minority-owned or woman-owned, female-owned businesses. So there's business grants that's available all over the place where we can help you apply for. You get 50, 100, 150,000, even $250,000 in a very short amount of time by building your business. And then the final level of is understanding the stock market and learning to trade the E-mini futures and invest in small amounts of money, possibly, and turn them into large amounts of money. Or at least, if nothing else, you're going to have the knowledge. You don't ever have to trade the stock market. That's not something you're into. We're 100% in this program for educational purposes only. We give you a well-rounded education in the 3 pillars of wealth. Okay, I like to say in every training session that our results are not typical. Everybody can't trade the way we do and end up with the program that we have. We spent years and years in the market. We've traded, we've built credit, we've built businesses, and we've consolidated everything down to a real easy to follow 30-day program that I believe Miss Emma's got on discount right now. I'm going to pop over here and let her talk about the price for just a minute. Miss Emma, tell us what the deal is on that.
Oh yeah, it's $97 actually monthly, and for 6 months. That's the program, but you can pay for 6 months for just $497. So that's a good actually discount that we can offer if you need more education on the 3 pillars of wealth, which is, as what Cameron said, financial education, credit mastery, and smart investing. And then if you're ready to start your day with a $500, trading on stock market, we can actually um, teach you on how to do that, and we can let you in as our guest on live trading on Zoom, so that you can observe and familiarize the pattern of the market. So come and join with Elite Credit and start building your future into trading.
Absolutely. And to be honest, this is one of the most impressive programs I've ever seen. I personally put it together so that literally anybody can train with us and learn the ins and outs of the market without a high degree of risk. You'll receive your TradingView accounts completely risk-free. We'll sign you up with a link, an affiliate link with us. You can start the TradingView for free. You can start your NinjaTrader account for free. There's several levels of things that we can do that don't cost you anything. We have several digital flip books that we'll provide you with for free. If you contact Miss Emma at the phone number listed on our scroll here, 877, I have to wait till it comes all the way over so I remember. 877-587-4540. She will set you up for a Zoom class that is free to attend. You can ask any questions you have there. And if we set you up with an individual intro class, I will answer any questions you want, and I can actually walk you through the process of making 20, 100, 500, 1,000, 2,500, or even 5K a day with the trading software, and show you what I do and how I do it. And you're more than welcome to train with us as a student with the program at $497 for a one-time purchase, or you can do $97 per month. I mean, if you look at it, that's $25 a week. I mean, that's not even coffee money to invest in learning how to use your finances, how to build your business credit, how to improve your personal credit, repair or restore your personal credit, build your own business credit equity, and learn the stock market. It's not going to get much better than that. So having said that, you see the green indicators jumping all the way up there. It has taken quite a leap in just this last few minutes. It's headed for that break-even blue box up there. And once it hits the blue box, naturally, it's going to be ready to take a profit soon after that. So I'm going to come watch that green candle move up a little bit. So I turn around and see exactly where we're at. We're going to see that thing take profit. It's going to cross the line here in a minute. Looks like it's at a little bit less than $2.50. It's 7.10 to the good, 5. We're going to go ahead and take that. We're going to take that money off the market. Boom. So we started with $500, and we just made a $7.40 profit in just a short period of time. And what we were doing is we're kind of trending as we moved across. And naturally, once again, if we increase the units, see the units pictured here, 5 units, risking 125. If we increase the units, then we stand a chance to make a lot more money a lot faster. So this would have been $17.40 with a few more units, $74 with a few more units, and then again, if we had put 50 units in here, that'd be $740. So the idea is to think in increments of 10, and remember that as you're trading with the TradingView platform, it's 100% risk-free. You don't have any real money in the trade. It's all theoretical. You don't have any actual risk on the table, and you're just learning the process as we go. And again, we do train 100% live on Zoom call in person. Our phones are answered by real people. Our emails are answered by us. There's no big corporate conglomerate out there that you're getting to be part of some Discord community or Telegram or some kind of nonsense where you're just another number. You're dealing with us. Everybody that you see live is the person that you will be dealing with on a daily basis. So having said that, Miss Emma, I will let you say our goodbyes. We'll pop off and we'll come back tomorrow at this same time. So I'll let you close us out, and then I'll hit the exit button.
Yes, sir. Well, also, if you are watching these videos, if you have additional questions, you can actually message us guys on our Facebook page, on Elite Credit and Investment Advisor page. You can also check their different information, educational videos that would help you understand the program. And then from there, just message us anytime, and we have a team of people that can assist you 24 hours, 24/7. Thank you, and God bless everyone. See you tomorrow for another exciting live trading with Cameron.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 pillars of wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 pillars of wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.